Wetin I do myself? Na small sleep I sleep o. Next thing, my strength don disappear. I be Samson. I no dey fear lion, but woman finish me. Una hear wetin I talk? W-O mema N.
Baby, tell me now, where your real strength dey?
I no go tell anybody.
I still the dream, say I the gym.
Wait! Who babbed me? Where my power? Why they see black?
Oga, now your babe do you strong thing.
Hey guys, so long story short, I just woke up bald, blind, and chained in a Philistine dungeon. Yeah, not my best day.
She invited me over, said she missed me.
I thought, what could possibly go wrong? Spoiler, everything.
Darling, tell me the secret of your strength.
And because I had the brain power of a camel that day, I actually told her. It's my hair, like an idiot.
Hello my money makers, your Techmom is here again. You just watched two versions of same story, one in pidgin and one in good English. This style of content is going viral now. And can I bust your bobo? This is a new niche. Many people are not yet into it. And believe me, smart creators are already making money from it. So today I'm going to teach you how you can create your own Bible vlog videos step by step. You don't need to show your face. You don't need a big camera. All you need is a smart idea, a story script, and a free AI tool to bring it to life. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to pick the right Bible story, how to write the Gen Z vlog style script, and how to use this particular AI tool to bring it to life. Just so you know, you can make money from these 5 powerful ways if you are into this particular faceless niche. Number 1, YouTube AdSense. You can make money by posting on shorts and on long form videos. Because it is trending, you have a higher chance of getting subscribers so quick and so fast. Brand sponsorship. If your style stands out, brands will be reaching out for sponsorships, alright? Now you can also make money through affiliate links. You can decide to sell Bible apps. You drop your link, people click on it, and if they make purchase, you earn from it, okay? The 4th way is by selling digital products. Like you can sell an ebook, for instance, 10 Bible stories that went viral and all that. Also, you can get voiceover or script writing gigs. Once people see your talent, they can demand for your script writing service or voiceover service, alright? So these are 5 ways you can make money if you are into this particular niche. So if you have been looking for a creative and low stress faceless niche that is funny, faith inspired, and monetizable, this is it. Now let's begin. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur teaching you exactly how to make money legitimately with AI, especially in content creation. So why not go ahead and give this particular video a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on your notification buttons so whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first person to watch that particular video. The step 1 here is choosing the right story, alright? Choosing the right story and writing the script appropriately. Because I don't want you to stress yourself, I have already developed a prompt for you which is suitable for all manner of stories that you want to develop regarding to Bible stories, alright? Just head over to my Google Doc. You have access to these Google Docs on my WhatsApp channel and also on my Telegram channel. So if you have not followed the 2 channels, please go ahead and follow it so that you can access this prompt. So go ahead and copy the first prompt, which is give me a funny dramatic. Copy it. We want to get our own Bible idea. And head over to ChatGPT. Now you can use Gemini, you can use DeepSeek, okay? Because I'm using the paid version of ChatGPT, I'm going to go with ChatGPT. But if you're not using the paid version of ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, which is totally free. It is a Google-owned AI, or you can use DeepSeek, alright? So I'm going to go to my ChatGPT just this way. Now go ahead and paste that particular prompt here. Click on Generate. Now, ChatGPT has given us 10 different video ideas. As you can see, I said in pidgin English, okay? You can correct it and write in good English, alright? You can see the topics here. So I'm going to pick one here. Now, the next thing is to develop this particular idea. Go back to my Google Docs just this way, alright? Copy the next prompt. write a full, copy it, and head over to ChatGPT. Okay, go and paste it on ChatGPT. Now this is where you put the topic you want to develop. All right, I can just write Samson and Delilah. This is the one I want to develop. I slept small, then cut my hair. I'll copy it and paste it here. Now you see the topic, Samson Baba horror story. You go ahead and hit generate. Now you can see that ChatGPT have given me the whole scenes, and this is getting so interesting. Before I continue my money makers, let me quickly share something personal with you. I didn't start with everything figured out. In fact, I was just like many of you watching exactly this my video, learning things and here and there, but I made a decision to take action, and that's when everything changed for me. I launched my Faceless YouTube channel, used free AI tools to write my script, generate my videos, and automate the entire process. In just 3 weeks, I met the monetization criteria, and that's exactly why I created my course called Faceless Income Blueprint. Inside this course, I teach you how to pick the right profitable niche, how to write your script that keep people watching, how to craft powerful hooks that grab attention in the first 3 seconds of your video, the AI tools I use for writing, everything about my experience, in fact my exact YouTube automation system. From my ideas to my uploads, it is the same blueprint I used to monetize mine in just 3 weeks. You don't need to gaze your way around all these things. I even added my personal script writing template, viral hooks formula, and a full walkthrough of how to set up your YouTube channel the right way. So if you are serious about turning content into income, click the link below or send me a message to get started. Let's build something you'll be proud of. So let's continue. We have gotten our different scenes. The next thing is getting our videos done. So we are going to use Google VO3. Now this is VO3 Flow. Some of you are going to VO3, Gemini. Please go with Flow. All right. Once you sign in, go ahead and subscribe. Believe me, once you subscribe, you have access to their website for 1 month for free. You'll be using it for free. And after 1 month, they're going to charge you. All right, so if you don't want the charge, you can remove your card. All right, so go ahead and click on create with Flow, click on new project. Now I'm going back to my ChatGPT to copy those scenes one after the other. Follow me on this teaching because I'm going to do some tricks here. So I'm going to paste it in this VO3, and I'll delete some of the things that are not necessary. I'm going to delete this. It will start generating. You guys, this is amazing. Now come and see all my generations. This is for the white, this is for the white, the English version of it, and this is the pidgin version of it. Now this is what you will struggle with when you are working on this VO3. You guys knows me as someone who is very honest. You will struggle with consistent character. Now how do you work on this consistent character? Make sure that when you are dropping your script, for instance, let me drop this one, let me paste it this way. Now they say Delilah find Nigerian long nails. This is me trying to explain I want a Nigerian girl. So when dropping the prompt here, just make sure that you specify the personality. Okay, if the person is 15, dark, white, and it just specify it, describe it very well in any scene. Okay, in any scene, describe it the same way. For instance, your first scene, if Samson is dark with flat nose with big head, please explain it very well here so that you maintain a consistent character. But on the other hand, this might not really work all the time because this Google VO3, they are still working on this consistency aspect. Okay, I think they will come up with the easiest way to go around this. All right, now let me show you what I've generated so far. When you are generating, please keep generating until you get what you want.
I know they fear life or woman finish. Now everything I talk, WOMAN.
So look
I know
at
they
this
fear
one.
life or woman finish. Now everything I talk, Samson. I know they fear life or woman finish. Now everything I talk, WOMAN. Samson.
So now they didn't complete the conversation. I have to carve out that part that they couldn't continue and then generate it differently. So now this is the English version of it.
Hey guys, so long story short, I just woke up bald, blind, and chained in a Philistine dungeon. Yeah.
So once you generate all the scenes, you download them, and the next stage is to edit it. We'll head over to CapCut and then bring it to life. All right, now for the editing part, we are going to make use of CapCut. Just head over to your CapCut and open it. You can use any editing software. All right, so what we are going to do basically on CapCut is to merge it. The editing is not hard. Just select them according to their scenes. Scene 1 comes first, scene 2, then go ahead and import. Now as soon as you are done bringing them to the timeline, let me play it.
My strength had to myself. Now small slippers. Next thing, my strength don't disappear. I be Samson. I know they fear lion.
Okay, I'm going to trim here.
I know they fear lion.
I be Samson. So this is where your editing comes in.
Samson. I know they fear life. I be Samson. I know they be Samson. Yeah. I be Samson. I be Samson. I know they fear life, but woman finish. When I hear everything I talk, WOMAN. She say me I come relax. I say okay. Now so I carry rice, chicken, and red wine go, as if na honeymoon.
Tell me now, where your real strength?
Now when you are working on it, you can decide to add what we call mix here, that is transition effects. You bring your stroke to this place. Now I'm going to add this mix, download, add it, then come to this place, add mix. Okay, as soon as the other one wants to enter, it will just be a sliding. Okay, here is just a continuation. I don't need to put it here. Let me put it here. So this is what you do when you're editing it. Very important. Okay, this is how I also worked on the English version of it, the one I used, the white. Okay, so let me play it.
Where your real strength?
Now I'm going to add the last part as well. I will also add the effects here. Now don't forget to remove the watermark, the VO3 watermark. Okay, now let me continue.
Your real strength.
I see the dream say I dey cheat.
So this is it. You go ahead and export your video. That's all. So tell me in the comment section, will you be trying this type of ditch? Okay, you can do it with the white. All right, so tell me in the comment section, are you also going to start this kind of Bible vlogging? Okay, now this is the white one.
Hey guys, so long story short, I just woke up bald, blind, chained in a Philistine dungeon. Yeah, not my best day.
She invited me over. Said she missed me.
I thought, what could possibly go wrong?
I'll keep adding the scenes. Okay, after everything you export your video. That's it. Very simple. If you want to change the aspect ratio to Facebook, Instagram or TikTok frame, you go to this place and change the ratio. Click on 9:16 and use it. So guys, will you be trying this out? Tell me, I want to hear. See you guys. Bye.